Welcome again and thanks for joining us for Links 007 TV. So today is the day when the incarcerated dancehall star Vybz Kartel will actually know whether or not he will walk a free man when the Privy Council make their decision. So right now Jamaica is on edge waiting for this news, and Links 007 TV will keep track of that and provide you with the latest information to come on that. But as it stands right now, many people believe that Vybz Kartel will actually walk free today after the Privy Council is slated to make their decision around 4 p.m. this afternoon. It's just to 7 this morning, and we are out here trying to provide you with the latest update as it relates to that, and we'll keep track of the situation and just keep you up to date with the Privy Council ruling that will be handed down today. So this is a very good moment for many right now, as people are just awaiting to see the outcome, whether or not the Privy Council will come through. And I can just imagine how Vybz Kartel at this point in time is actually feeling and anticipating this actual moment itself, based on the fact that he has been locked up for so many years right now. He did not even get a chance to actually appeal his bail or anything in relation to that. So he did not even get bail once he was arrested. So this is just one of those things right now that we're going to keep track of, and we're going to try our best to keep you up to date with the latest information to come on this. But today, the day is finally here when Vybz Kartel, the incarcerated Jamaican dancehall star, will know whether or not he will remain behind bars and serve his sentence, which is almost like a life sentence for the dancehall entertainer. So we'll keep you track and just provide you with so much more information to come on that once the announcement is made. So Links 007 TV is a place to be for that. So thanks for watching, and we'll continue to just track these stories plus more to come on the program.